Step-by-step guide to convert a TSP to Gold IRA with $250,000 investment. Retirement planning often involves diversifying investments to safeguard against inflation and market fluctuations. One effective strategy is converting a thrift savings plan, TSP, into a Gold Individual Retirement Account, Gold IRA. If you have a balance of $250,000, this move can help secure your wealth and create growth opportunities. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified guide to navigate the process. 1. Understand TSP and Gold IRA. TSPs are retirement savings plans for federal employees but don't allow direct investment in gold. A Gold IRA is a self-directed account enabling investments in physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. 2. Assess the need for conversion. Before converting, evaluate whether shifting $250,000 aligns with your goals. Gold is a strong hedge against inflation and economic instability, offering diversification and risk mitigation. 3. Choose a reputable custodian. Select a Gold IRA custodian with a solid reputation, transparent fees, and experience managing high-value accounts. They will ensure your conversion follows IRS regulations. 4. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. With your custodian, open a self-directed Gold IRA. This account allows flexibility in choosing gold investments that suit your retirement goals. 5. Initiate a direct rollover. Transfer funds directly from your TSP to your Gold IRA to avoid taxes or penalties. A seamless rollover preserves your retirement savings. 6. Select gold investments. Choose IRS-approved gold products, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. Your custodian can guide you through eligible options. 7. Arrange secure storage. Store your gold in an IRS-approved depository. This ensures safety and compliance with federal requirements. 8. Monitor your investment. Regularly review your Gold IRA portfolio and adjust as needed based on economic conditions and gold price trends. Benefits of converting to a Gold IRA. 1. Inflation protection. Gold hedges against rising prices. 2. Diversification. Adds balance to your portfolio beyond stocks and bonds. 3. Wealth preservation. Physical gold retains value during market volatility. 4. Tax advantages. Gains grow tax-deferred until withdrawal. Converting a TSP to a Gold IRA is a strategic move for securing your financial future. Ensure thorough research and expert guidance before making the transition. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.